This is where we ended up last. Looking at an header bar, GTK fixed, in there a stack together with a stack switcher. New file. What if we made a GTK window with a certain size, and in here we're going to create GTK fixed, or immediately GTK stack. I'm going to use a GTK fixed first. Yeah. And then I'm gonna create something different, also with GTK. I need a GTK stack, that's here. First the GTK stack. And then I've already other ideas in my head. Let's stick with this one. Then we're gonna add a control. Last time we did a stack switcher. This time we're going to take a GTK stack sidebar and we click here again. So now I have this thing with shift, I move it about. I have this thing, and I can make this, if they let me, make this bigger. Like so. Like so. And this sidebar thing, so the stack sidebar general, needs to have a stack. What should I change? That one. How much pages do you want? In my exercise 3. Transition type, do this one. Now we got a sidebar and a stack. It doesn't show. Not really. Although, maybe you noticed the line there, right? There's a line. Don't like it, then yeah, I don't know if we can get rid of the line. 66, common, visible, can focus, not sure if the line can be removed at all. But what we need to do is stack 1, go to general, go to edit page. This is page 0. I'm gonna add again a container to this particular stack, which is gonna be the fixed one, easiest for us to play with. Back to the stack, back to edit page, back to control, nope, container, GTK fixed, another click. See what's happening? GTK stack, 3 pages, control, forget about control, containers, GTK fixed, click. As long as there's nothing in there in this GTK fixed, I won't see a thing. Let's take something else that we haven't seen yet. So as long as there's nothing in there, GTK spinner, I don't know, voila. Let's have a look. So now we got this, this, and this, and there's one missing. You see, it's too small. That's not nice. So off we go. We go to the sidebar. We see that we can drag this thing, and at the bottom we say, whoa, make this bigger. I'm gonna make this all the way, as in like that or something, and then move you back up here, somewhere there, and then the stack. I'm gonna realign you to, oh yeah, that's my button from CHDWM. Trying to move this little guy here, which I can't, right? Oh, stack. I need to go for stack and then try to move it, but it's not moving. So if that happens, you go to packing. All right. Let's put you somewhere there. And we have that one 2 to 30, and that one is on 31. 30. Let's save you. That's true. I forgot to save this. Save example number 3. Now, whether it's gonna be a good idea to do this or that, I have to figure it out myself, right? Never did this, never designed this either. So this is what I've put in there. And that's actually not bad, but remember, we got this line. If you don't like the line, it's the way it is. Maybe design-wise we can do something about it, but, right? What I wanted to do, yeah. So in the GTK window, let's make it resizable off. Save this again, and then have a look, because this changes things. Now the line doesn't really bother us because it ends here. Begins there, ends there. And each time you do something else. This could be nice. And we can add a bar if we want to. We can add client-side window bar. Put a bar in there, container, with the header bar. Put it in here instead of the icon here. We can just put the text, number of items, nothing. Text, title, ArcoLinux application, and leave it at. But maybe you'd like to go for packing and common. And what was I thinking? I think this is kind of, yeah, this can be translated. Sometimes we got the possibility to change the fonts. And as an example, we'll just add a label to this thing. Display, GTK label, click. And sometimes you want to make, I don't know, building ISOs is so simple, right? Building ISOs is so simple. It is. Just click a button. And you want to start with that. Something that catches the eye. And if you want to really catch the eye, you go for font description maybe. And go for a sans bold with select. Okay. Move this around with shift or just by dragging, but it needs to be doing it. There you go. And then Ctrl S, save, and look. So this can be changed. This does not seem anything there to change it. Not here. Right? Just this button. But you can also do a custom title. And if you do a custom title, you can put a label in there. And if you put your label in there, then you can say ArcoLinux application. And let's see if we can change this now. Somehow edit attributes. Let's see the weight. Can we change the weight? Ultra heavy. Wow. Ultra heavy. And about the variance, stretch, scale. Okay, nope, not scale, strike through. Foreground colors, why not? Foreground colors, something like blue, the color from ArcoLinux. What else? Actually, I wonder if they can make it all capital letters, but that's not the case. You just type the capital letters, right? Oblique, italic, that's it. So, bigger is better. 20-ish. And, oh yeah, let's take something completely different. A lot of stuff, a lot of fonts. That would be silly. Awesome. I can't read this. Okay. There you go. So design-wise, this is fun. Let's quit, save, and stop. So now we've got a GTK fixed, a stack, and a stack. Let's make this bigger again. There we go. A stack sidebar. The other one, we made another control. We gave the control the stack switcher. That's the difference. Okay, stopping here again.